Now we got a short squeeze. Okay, you see this volume being filled out? That's nice. As soon as we start losing that volume, that not good. That not good, man. We got volume balance. So we start losing that volume, we start losing that volume area right up in here in that volume balance here. Let me get my finger on the trigger. Let me get a finger on the trigger. Okay. Right here, you see that little volume balance area right there? Boom, 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 boom. See this buying balance right here? More buyers and sellers. You see this area right here, this little ledge, this little volume area right here? That's what you want to see. You want to stay in the trade. But once you start losing this trade, if you're green and you start losing this little junker right there, just go ahead and take your profits, man. Just go ahead and take your little profits. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we're going up on light volume, man. Lights volume, lights volume, lights volume. Look at the 5 minute. You see that? Ooh, get your finger on the trigger. Get your finger on the trigger. Is 94, 94 aggregated sell volume. Squeeze a little crap out of that mother lover. Make him pay for his decision. Make him pay. Close that candle above him and make him pay. You little stupid. Why are you up in here trying to short a market that's going up? Don't you know there's government slush fund at work here, my man? Why are you trying to short 94 stinking? Why are you trying to short? There's government money running this mother lover all the way up to the moon. And you up in here trying to sell a 94 contracts. Oh, just stupid, man. Please. Please. Oh, what? What? Oh, wait a minute. He might not be that stupid. He, she, rainbows and unicorns, whatever it wants to be. It might not be that stupid. All right, giddy up. Come on. See, that's what happens when I go trading at 3 o'clock. Oh, no. Oh, there's some serious, oh, no, there's some serious shenanigans happening. Come on, giddy up. Make that 96 pay. Wait a minute, 96, 94, 94, 94. Make his brother pay. Make the mother lover pay. Look at that. You got the ES on the double buying balance area. Keep telling y'all, go trade the ES. You gotta love yourself some ES. I'll show you a little bit later. I got to stay focused. Act like a lunatic, but I know what the hell I'm doing. All right, if we lose this 96, I'm getting out of here and calling it a day. Boy, news could come out and slaughter my little redneck ass, couldn't it? I tell you what, some news could come out. Netanyahu could be going off the rockers and just saying, blah, 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 we're going to bomb them the hell back. And all of a sudden the market crashes and this little redneck takes a stinking loss. Giddy up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got spinning top. We got a little doji candle up in here. That's a little indecision candle. Whoop, get your finger on the trigger. Get your finger on the trigger. Get your finger on the trigger. If we close. All right, no, seriously. Seriously, you see that 430 right there? Here, let me get the finger on the trigger. You see this 430 right here? You see that 87 sitting on the bed? If we break that, you got to get out. Okay, because you're using that 87. Now I'm being serious about this, folks. I ain't being no crazy redneck right now. I'm being daggone serious about this. If that 82 loses it, okay, and we come down here, you got to get out, man. You just got to take your profits and get the heck out, okay? I need to see some big. Oh, 40. We got 42 up there. We got 42. So you move your stop up there below that 42. Boom, boom, boom. Giddy up, mother lover. Yeah. Now we got a short squeeze. Oh, I wish I was recording this. Oh, what happened here? What happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the seller's coming in. The sellers had enough of the buyer's shenanigans. I think the party's over. Up, up, up. Oh, no. Ooh, the party could be over. Party could be over. Someone called the police. The stinking party's over. Somebody called the police on us. The party is over. Ooh, we got a red candle with negative 44 delta. Oh, and we got some big selling volume up in there. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Somebody tell the police it's at another address. Come on, tell the police it's at another address. It ain't this frat house, it's another one. Oh my God, no. Oh, we got negative 90 delta. We got negative 90 delta. You see that 50 sitting on the bed of 435, about 50 sitting on the bed of 435, but you break that, I'm getting out. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that 76. Make that mother lover pay. Ooh, I think the police is going to the other house. Party's still back on. The party is still back on. Come on, make these little shorts pay for their stupid ass decision. Yeah, the cops are going to the other house. The party is still raging. Oh, yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, party time. Giddy up. Oh, yeah, the cops are at another house. They're at the other frat house. They ain't at ours. We got 80 sitting on the bed at 447. We got 80 sitting on the bed at 447. Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boy, that other frat house are going to love that one. The party's still on, folks. The party is still on. Giddy up. Come on. Come on, man. What time is it? 3:15. 3:15. 3:15. You got to be out by 3:50. Them crazy algos kick in, man. Them institutions, they turn their little computer pets on, and the 350 algo comes kicking in, and money gets to shuffling around. You don't know which way is up or down, man. You don't know your ass from the head. Oh, man. The police are coming back. The police are coming back. The police are coming back. Uh-huh. They found out the other frat house wasn't having the party. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. We got 65 sitting on the bed at 444. We got about 70 sitting on the bed at 444, about 60 sitting on the bed at 444. Oh, which y'all gonna do? You gonna fill them? You gonna fill them, trip them up, come on back down? What you gonna do? We got about another half hour. We got another half hour to go keep partying. Keep the party moving. Do do do. We got a little inside bar coming up here, about 84 negative delta. Well, we kind of closed above all that negative volume up in there. You see that? You see, oh, we got 70 sitting on the bid of 444, about 70 sitting on the bid of 444. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got 56 on the offer. Come on, lift the offer, lift the offer, lift it, lift the offer. Lift it, my friends. Lift it. Oh, they got 65 sitting on the offer. Come on, man. Go. Come on, lift the offer. That's not what you want to see. Oh, oh, nope, nope, nope. Come on, keep the party raging. Oh, yeah. I like that. Give me a little bit of that. Come on, get that 66. 66 at 455. Keep lifting the offer, get that 66. Come on, man. The party's still raging, folks. The party's still raging. Woo! Come on, man. Giddy up. Yep. You know something's going to happen at this crazy party. You know this short squeeze? Something's going to happen at the crazy party. Somebody's going to puke on the floors, man, because something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Somebody going to puke on the floor in this party. Man, we almost, ooh, no, that's not good, that's not good. We got 200 negative delta, 116 aggregated volume, 41 of it, one single order. That is not good. We ain't got nobody sitting on the bed. You got a little measly ass 40 sitting there at 435. They ain't gonna stop shit. Ooh, look at this. We've been closing. Man, I wish I had this recorded. I'll be editing the crap out of it this weekend, man. Come on, I'm gonna code me some VWAP this weekend. Though we're gonna have some sweet ass VWAP on this add-on this weekend. Mm-mm-mm. Come on. Yeah, we got 116 aggregated orders. We closed above it. We're getting ready to squeeze the living crap out of that 41. How dumb are you to come in here and try to sell this raging market? Daggone NQ. NQ at 1455. Little pop the blue pill and it's going straight up. Mm-mm-mm. You see, all of a sudden it was boring. All of a sudden it was boring. I was falling asleep, and all of a sudden, pow! All hell breaks loose. Of course, I tried to do it 2 or 3 times and got myself a winner, a loser, a winner, a loser. And now we got ourselves a massive winner. Mm-mm-mm. Alrighty, we getting filled out. We got a negative 180 on the 5 minute. We got a negative 180 volume. We got 3,200 volume being filled in. We got the ES kind of rolling over. The little blue pill's wearing off on the ES. Come on there, ES. Come on, giddy up. Uh, yep, I think this could be over, folks. I think, I think, I think the party's over. Yep, I think the party is over. Oh, man. I was hoping to ride this thing all up into the close, man. This thing would have been. Come on, BlackRock, Citadel, Goldman. I know you got some more gas in you. Can you little turds do something, man? The party was fun. Don't be a party pooper. Don't be a party pooper. Don't be a party pooper. Somebody gonna puke all over the carpet. I know it. I know that's gonna happen. I know that's gonna happen. We need BlackRock, Citadel, Goldman, one of them big boys. Come on in here. Come on in here and start slinging about 300 aggregated volume, little buy volume. Make these shorts behave. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We got negative 179 volume in the previous 5 minute. We closed above it. That's actually a good sign, but the problem is the current 5 minute, boom, I'm out. It is what it is. But look at this. You got 181 aggregated sell volume, 100 contracts. You got 33, 146 aggregated uh, sell contracts, 113 sell contracts, 83 sell contracts. You got all these sellers up in here. You got all these sellers up in here. All of them stinking sellers. Look at that. All of them 79, 79, 103, 126. You got all of them sellers up in there. Okay. You got all them sellers up in there. Uh, you have all these sellers up in here. Okay. All these sellers up in here. Remember when I said, okay, for one, I tried it here, took a little bit, break even. Okay. Tried it here. I think I took a small loss on this one. Okay. So right here at 308, I got in at 308 at 424, 308 at 424. So it was right up in this area right here. Boom. Okay. And the reason I got in is because you got all these stinking shorts up in here. So then you got a buy imbalance. And if I come over here and I look at the ES, look at the ES at 15308, at 1500, 15308, at 15308, we're right here. We got a buy imbalance right there. The ES has joined the party itself. Okay. ES has joined the party itself. I'll show you that a little bit later after I explain this, but I like me some ES, you know. The NQ is fine. It's volatile. It's sexy. People like to trade it because it gives them an adrenaline rush. I mean, if you want an adrenaline rush, go jump out of an airplane. You got all these sellers right here. Okay, all these sellers. You got to buy here. You got to buy here, but you got a heck of a lot more sellers. So when you start crossing this area right here, you get a little pop. I was all giddy on this one. I was like, "Come on, man, giddy up!" And then boom, someone decided to friggin' call the cops on the party. And the party's over. Okay, took a little small loss. The party's over. Okay, but then when this thing, if you remember correctly, what I said, if I said if this thing gets to 422, I'm going to really start getting hyped up. And guess what? I entered at 424 at 1508 at 308. Okay, that's 1508 for you military for your military. Okay, so I entered right up in here. Why did I enter up in here? Why did I enter up in here? Well, for one thing, the 5 minute is sloping upwards. Boom, 5 minutes sloping upwards. That's a go sign for me. It's a green candle. That's a no brainer for me. That's an easy strategy. I mean, easy strategy, easy strategy. 5 minutes sloping upwards. You got a 5 minute green candle. Okay, the delta's green. Okay, as long as the moving average sloping upwards and you got a green candle and the delta is green, that's a go. That's a go. Okay, check, go. All right, 5 minutes done. And on the 1 minute, you got right here, you got a volume bounce. You see all this stinking volume right here, all this nice green volume. So I get in at 424. At 424, which is about right up in this area right here, about 424, kind of where it's at now. Right up there at 424, I get in on this candle right here. We get a little pop. I see 94 selling. I'm like, oh, this could not be a good idea. Then all of a sudden we closed above it, and I'm like, oh yeah, squeeze them. And then all of a sudden, this is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. If you don't want to join the party, if you don't want to get in the party up in this area, when you see 94 aggregated sell contracts and we close above it and the 5 minute moving average is sloping upwards, you got a green candle and the green delta on the 5 minute, and you see aggregated sell and we close above it, and you got the 1 minute that is sloping upwards. If you don't get in, I don't know what to tell you if you don't get in. But you got to get in. Okay, you get in on the break of that right there. I got in down here, okay, but you get in on the break of that because this right here, 94, trap seller, boom, trap seller. That 96, we closed above, another trap seller, bam, look what we got. 76 seller, closed above, trap, look what we got. Then up in this area, the cops wanted to show up and crash the party. Boom. I don't know how much simpler it can be, folks. You don't need a whole bunch of indicators on your screen.